I've been using Pedro's full lineup for over 10 years on all of my bikes with great success, so when the RX Micro line was announced, I was really excited to try it out and ordered a few. The RX Micro 20 includes a wide gamut of tools as well as 2 micro tire levers that snap into the sides. The RX Micro 9 has the same design features but with just a slimmed down tool selection for an even smaller package. And note, micro levers are not included with this model. So here's what we like. The size and shape is great in that it has a somewhat thinner profile than other multi-tools, so they don't add a lot of bulk to your riding pack. And when you really want to slim down your payload, the RX Micro 9 is a great way to bring along just the bare minimum of tools you might need on a ride. Selection of tools is spot on. The RX Micro 20 has your typical chain tool, spoke wrench, Allen keys, etc., but also has a Shimano crank cap tool, a valve core tool, and tire levers, which not all multi-tools include. And one additional feature of the micro levers I really like is a space to keep a spare quick link. I'll also note, if you already have a multi-tool you love, you can purchase the micro lever separately. And lastly, price is great for what you get on the RX Micro 20. MSRP is around $45, but you can definitely find it cheaper online, and considering it includes tire levers and has a lifetime warranty against braking or corrosion, it's an even better deal. There's not too much to nitpick with the RX Micro tools. Weight is about average for a multi-tool of their capacity, but like with any piece of gear you have to carry on a ride, any bit of weight savings would be welcomed. And price on the Micro 9 isn't much less than the 20, considering it doesn't include the micro levers. So if you had to choose between the two, I would probably opt for the Micro 20 since it isn't drastically larger and you get more bang for the buck. And I found that sometimes when using the multi-tool with the micro levers attached, they'd pop off on me. Not really a big deal, just a tiny inconvenience. Overall, I'm really happy with the RX Micro multi-tools. I've used them for a whole season in the shop and on the trail, and they have held up great with no issues or sign of wear. And I can feel confident that the lifetime warranty will keep me covered if any issues do come up.
Hey, I'm Sebastian with Crank Brothers, and I'm here to show you 2 new multi-tools, the M13 and the M20. Both the M13 and M20 come with a removable case to store tire plugs and quick links, and both feature an integrated fork plug. These are additions to our existing family of M tools, updated with a tubeless solution. Next time you roll out, make sure to bring your M tool.